Have you ever wondered how some people seem to attract success and happiness effortlessly? In this video, we'll explore the law of attraction and how it can help you achieve your goals. The law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. It works by attracting energy that is in harmony with your thoughts and emotions. Imagine your thoughts and emotions as a magnet, attracting the things you want in life. This is the law of attraction in action. Positive thinking is a key component of the law of attraction. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, you can attract positive outcomes and experiences into your life. Positive thinking can lead to positive outcomes, such as success, happiness, and fulfillment. Many successful people credit the law of attraction for their achievements. From athletes to entrepreneurs, the law of attraction has helped people reach their goals and live their dreams. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, these individuals were able to attract success and achieve their goals. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals and live your dreams. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, you can attract positive outcomes and experiences into your life. Start unlocking the power of positive thinking today.